Hello and welcome to Money Wisdom with Angie, your calm and clear guide to making the most of your money, especially in retirement. Today we're diving into something that might sound dull, but could actually save you hundreds of pounds a year, and that is your HMRC tax code. Yes, tax codes, but don't go anywhere because I'll explain it simply, why it matters, and how just a few minutes spent checking your tax code could put money back in your pocket in 2025. So why does your tax code matter, especially now? Well, right now, that's May to July, is the best time of year to check your tax code. Why? Because HMRC has just issued tax codes for the 2025-2026 tax year. So if there's a mistake, now's your chance to catch it before you overpay. And guess what? Mistakes are surprisingly common, especially for pensioners. In fact, according to HMRC's own figures, over 1 million people were on the wrong tax code last year, many of them pensioners. Moving on to section 2, what is a tax code anyway? Let's start with the basics. A tax code is a short series of numbers and letters that tells your pension provider or employer how much tax to take from your income. For most pensioners, your tax code will look something like 1257L. That means you're entitled to the standard personal allowance of £12,570, the amount you can earn before paying any tax. But if you have more than one income, say a state pension and a private pension, then things do get trickier. Because HMRC splits your personal allowance across your pensions, but it doesn't always get it right. Let's look at the real risk and what can go wrong. And here's where it matters. Let's say HMRC gives your entire allowance to your state pension, which isn't even taxed at source, and forgets to reduce the code for your private pension. You could end up paying far too much tax every month. Or worse, if your provider undertaxes you, you'll get a nasty letter next year demanding repayment. So it's not just about saving money now, it's also about avoiding a shock later. Now let's dive into how to check your tax code. Go to your latest pension payslip or your P60 and look for a code like 1257L, standard allowance. BR means basic rate only, and that's no allowance. D0 or D1 equals higher rate only, and NT equals no tax. You can also sign in to your personal tax account on gov.uk. That's where you'll see all your income sources and the codes attached to each one. If something doesn't look right, or if your circumstances have changed, you can update it directly online or ring HMRC. Let's move on to part 5, where we can see the examples that could affect you. So here are just a few things that could mean your code needs updating. 1, you've recently started or stopped a private pension. 2, you're still working part-time in retirement. 3, you received benefits in kind like a company car or medical cover. 4, you've claimed marriage allowance. And 5, or you've had tax owed from a previous year and it's being collected now. Do you know, even moving house or changing contact details can affect your tax notices, so it's worth keeping things updated. In part 6, I want to tell you why pensioners are especially vulnerable. As pensioners, we often don't get monthly payslips like we used to, do we? So it's easy to assume everything is ticking along. But remember, state pension is paid gross, meaning no tax is taken, and your other income might be taxed too much to make up for it. Plus, if you're not a big fan of going online or navigating government forms, it's easy to miss out or let things slide. We all do it. But don't let the taxman take more than he's due. Moving on to part 7, what to do if you spot an error. If your tax code looks wrong, take action. Number 1, contact HMRC. You can do it online or by phone. They'll review your income and reissue your tax code if needed. Number 2, ask for a refund. If you're overpaid, you can claim it back, usually within 4 years. And 3, keep checking, especially if your income changes or if you're juggling more than one pension or job. And in part 8, I'll tell you the real reason this matters, and it's peace of mind. Knowing your tax code is correct means you're not missing out on money you're owed. You're in control of your finances, and you're not in for any nasty tax letters next spring. It is a small cheque with a big payoff, and you're worth that clarity. So go and grab your latest pension statement, take a look at your tax code, and if you're unsure, ask, either here in the comments or contact HMRC directly. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with a friend who's retired, and subscribe to Money Wisdom with Angie. Calm, clear financial tips every Monday and Friday. You've worked hard for your money. Let's make sure you keep more of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.